there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions by comparing the best products out there. Today, we're putting two heavyweights in the ring, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo on the left and the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M on the right. Let's see which 3D printer deserves a spot in your home workshop. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the price. The Kobra 2 Neo is priced at a wallet-friendly $279. That's less than the cost of a fancy dinner date in New York City. On the other hand, the Adventurer 5M comes in at $479. That's almost $500, folks. For that price, it better come with a butler to serve me coffee while I print. Reviewers appreciate the Kobra 2 Neo for its budget-friendly price, making it a great entry-level option. However, some feel that the Adventurer 5M's higher price is justified by its additional features and reliability. Now, speed. The Kobra 2 Neo boasts a maximum print speed of 250 millimeters per second. That's like a cheetah on a caffeine high. Meanwhile, the Adventurer 5M claims a travel speed of up to 600 millimeters per second. Whoa! That's faster than my morning sprint to the coffee machine. But remember, with great speed comes great responsibility, or in this case, the need for precision. Reviewers of the Kobra 2 Neo love its speed for quick projects, while users of the Adventurer 5M appreciate its even faster speeds for more complex tasks. Extruder and nozzle time. The Kobra 2 Neo has a new integrated extruder with a 60W hot end and a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan. It's like having a personal chef and air conditioner for your filament. On the flip side, the Adventurer 5M offers rapid nozzle changes in just 3 seconds and a high-flow 32 cubic millimeters per second nozzle. It's like swapping out car tires in a Formula One pit stop. Users of the Kobra 2 Neo appreciate its robust extruder, while Adventurer 5M users love the convenience of quick nozzle changes. Let's talk print quality. The Kobra 2 Neo uses linear propulsion and input shaping functions to reduce spillage and print resonance, making it perfect for novices who want to look like pros. Meanwhile, the Adventurer 5M has dual fan nozzles, vibration compensation, and multiple nozzle sizes for superior print quality and adaptability. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Reviewers of the Kobra 2 Neo find it delivers good print quality, but some mention minor issues with smooth surfaces. On the other hand, Adventurer 5M users praise its consistent, high-quality prints. Ease of use is next. The Kobra 2 Neo features LeveIQ 2.0 automatic leveling, making it a breeze for beginners to get started. If you can use a toaster, you can use this printer. The Adventurer 5M, however, takes it up a notch with one-click automatic printing and a mobile app for remote monitoring. You can literally print while binge-watching your favorite Netflix series. Talk about multitasking. Reviewers love the Kobra 2 Neo for its beginner-friendly setup, while Adventurer 5M users appreciate the advanced features for a more seamless experience. Last but not least, customer support. The Kobra 2 Neo offers a 1-year service with specific warranties for the print head and heated bed, plus lifetime tech support. Got questions? They've got answers. The Adventurer 5M, however, includes a 1-month free return and exchange, lifetime tech support, and a 1-year warranty. Plus, a reliable 12-hour response service. It's like having a tech-savvy best friend who's always there for you. Reviewers of the Kobra 2 Neo appreciate the helpful customer service, while Adventurer 5M users rave about the quick and reliable support. To sum up the reviews, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and decent print quality, though some users note a few minor issues like noise and print surface finish. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is appreciated for its speed, print quality, and advanced features, with a few minor complaints about noise and the initial setup. Both printers have strong support teams, but the Adventurer 5M edges out slightly with quicker response times. So which 3D printer should you choose? If you're all about speed, versatility, and don't mind splurging a bit, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M could be your new best friend. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly, high-speed, and beginner-friendly option, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo might just be your perfect match. As always, the choice is yours, smart shoppers. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. And remember, product links are in the description. Until next time, happy printing!